Now here's a tip. This is optional, but I'm going to let my beans soak in water overnight, or at least for a minimum of 12 hours, but I'm going to let mine soak overnight. Now, before you soak them, you can pick and clean your beans now if you want, but these days, these beans are pretty much ready to go. All you're doing is looking for rocks, but I have never found any, and any bad beans, they're going to get ate because I'm a savage. These are the ingredients you will need, and the amounts will be listed down in the description. You're going to need onion powder, garlic powder, some ground cumin, some paprika, some cayenne pepper, 2 bay leaves, and 4 cups of broth. You can use water too, but 4 cups of broth is what I'm using. And 2 smoked turkey tails. Now go ahead and add your soaked beans to your slow cooker. Remember, I am using 1 cup. Next, we're going to add 4 cups of our broth. Now I'm going to show y'all something, because this is where some people usually mess up at. When you're putting your 4 cups of fluid in there, whether you're using water or broth, they use too much liquid. When they put their 4 cups in there, putting literally 4 cups. That's 4 cups of fluid ounces. You want to use 4 measuring cups. Measuring cups do not amount to the same ounces as fluid ounces. And I'm going to show you how to just real quick. So I'm going to pour 1. That's 1. Then you see here, that's where my 4 cups is at, right? This is 2. 3. And here goes 4. Now, if you take a look here, you see that doesn't quite get up to 4 cups. We are almost really like at 3 cups. 3 cups with 4 measuring cups. That's like dry ounces, you know, something like that, but it's not fluid ounces. Use 4 of measuring cups, not fluid ounces, and you won't put too much liquid in your beans. Now remember, folks, you're not going to be using this whole 32 ounces. You're going to be using more like 3 cups of this. I do this all the time, so I kind of already know how much I've already put in here. Now here goes our ingredients. The portion size will be listed down there in the description. And go ahead and add your turkey tails or whatever smoked meat you're using. Now go ahead and give everything a quick stir right now, because we're not going to do anything else to these until we're 7 hours in. Put your bay leaves in last. Cover it up. Cook on high for 4 hours or cook on low for 8 hours. I'm going to be cooking on low for the 8. 7 hours later, let's go ahead and remove our bay leaves for a second and chop up our turkey tails and give it a stir. Do not throw your bay leaves away. We will be putting them back in. I just don't want to get them lost in there or broken up in here. All right, now after you have all that done, go ahead and add your bay leaves back into the mix. And we're going to be leaving the lid off for the rest of this cook. And we're going to crank your slow cooker up to high. And we're going to keep it like that for the last hour. An hour later, go ahead and remove your bay leaves. And go ahead and give it one more stir, and we're going to let this baby cool off, and then it's ready to serve. And this is what you're looking for. This is nice, thick and creamy, y'all. This is what you want in a pinto bean. Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for stopping by my channel. Hit that like button, leave me a comment. I drop videos once a week. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you know what to do.